Wathinteka imikhakha eminingi ngesikhathi kwenzeka lesigameko okwavela ukuthi saba umphumela wokuqhuma kwegas ngaphansi komgwaqo kanti eminye ayikakasimami kuze kube yimanje.
Mina since ngafika la abakazi bangitshele next because ngifike vele sokuloku kuvaliwe and kuba neproblem yamanzi most of the time neproblem ye-electricity so mayihamba bavele bathi ugesi uhambile because of the construction.
Inhlangano i-Inner City Federation ithi anyathelwe kakhulu amalungelo abantu.
Njengoba kuvalwe lesa strat khumbula ukuthi kunabantu abaphila kulezi yandawo. Njengoba kuvalwe kanjeyana kunelungelo labo eseliphazamisekile ngokwe-constitution, not any legislation but kwi-constitution itself, freedom of movement. You can't move anyhow, you can't do your business as usually because ngoba kuvalwe lapha labantu ababesebenza lapha obviously baqhelisiwe.
Imeya yeGoli uDada Murero ithi njengoba usokontileka wokuqala ehlulekile ukwenza umsebenzi idolobha kwafanela ukuthi likuphakamele ngokusheshsha lolu daba.
The contractor appointed has therefore breached the agreements with the city of Johannesburg in terms of what was supposed to have been delivered and the milestones that the contractor was supposed to have reached and accomplished and achieved. And on the basis of that, then the Johannesburg Road Agency had to terminate the contract.
Imeya isiqolisile kwabathintekile kanti ithi izoqinisekisa ukuthi ukulungiswa kwalomgwaqo kuzophela ngoNhlangulana ka-2025.